Hi everybody, even the worst pizza launch into the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven turned out to be a success. The error was leaving the loaded pizza too long on the pizza peel before launching it into the oven. If you have a peel with any type of holes and the pizza is loaded with toppings, it will start sinking into the small holes on the pizza peel over time, making it almost impossible to slide off the peel and into the oven. I'd say this pizza was on the peel for 3 minutes, which was far too long. I switched over to my 30-year-old trusty wooden peel for the remainder of the evening and had zero problems. Live and learn. That said, I was able to clean out most of the spilt ingredients and burn off the rest. The pizza tasted amazing, so no harm done. Nothing can take the place of personal experience. Practice, practice, practice until you get it right. This pizza was done in the low 700-degree Fahrenheit range for a test. I'm still getting used to the perfect temp that gives me enough time to take a breath and relax. So far, around 800 degrees Fahrenheit is the highest I really want to go at this point until I get better. Lower temps mean more control for an amateur like myself. Well, that's it for now. If you want to see an unboxing of the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven, you can watch it over at my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you want to see me making the dough in my new Pro Baker 5 Plus spiral mixer, I'll put a link to that there also. That's it for now. Have a delicious day.